Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a very useful VS Code extension, especially for C++ developers. This is a Snippets extension. It's used by almost 1 billion developers. So simply install this by clicking the install button, simply activating this. After you activate this extension, just go to your CPP or C++ file. If you want to have a for loop, you simply type the for and simply enter, and automatically this will fill out all the source code which is required for the syntax. So this will speed up the process, and similarly for while loop as well, you will see you will put the condition and like this. So it has all the snippets available for these common tasks. You simply type for and press enter, and this will simply, and also for while loop. So these are all the pre-made snippets for C++ or C programs. So this will save you a lot of time where you don't need to write it from scratch. So for the main function as well, you simply write, after you just need to write the main function. So simply select from here, and automatically this will add this for you. So these are different snippets which are there. You can definitely try this. So, so definitely try this extension.